Hi guys, welcome back. Today, as you probably heard, we're gonna go through quick install of Trimble Business Center version 5.9, and we'll take a quick peek at some README and the release notes, etc. So it's gonna be a two-part video. When you start up Trimble Business Center, on the right hand side you have a notification when you hit check for update. As you can see, there is a Trimble Business Center new release. Once you click and hit install, it will open up a web page, which is here, Trimble Business Center download, and it's going to ask you to log in. I'm pretty sure I'm already logged in. Download latest version. I always go for the offline download because I download it once and then distribute to my laptop and to my desktop. So as you can take a quick peek, if you hit on offline download, it's gonna try to download the full setup zip. I already took the liberty of doing that before, just to make sure so we don't have to wait for 30 minutes or whatnot, depending on your speed of internet. So the zip file itself is quite large, so almost 7 gigs, just so you guys know. Once you download it, then usually what you need to do is unzip it, and it will unzip the whole install. So as you can see, at the bottom we have setup exe and exe, and we're gonna hit install. Unfortunately, oh, there we go. So since I'm working with two screens, something shows up on one, something's on the other. Choose language. I'm fine with English, United States. I'm gonna hit next. We have to some notes. Hey, if you wanna more information about Trimble Business Center, installation guidelines and troubleshooting, there is a couple of links, so we'll hit next. Obviously, terms and conditions, the fine print as I call it. Let's hit accept and hit next. Now we have two buttons, utilities, where you can do some coordinate system, feature definition manager just by itself, or you can have that included in Trimble Business Center. So I'm fine to install it on my C drive and everything. I'll hit next. And here are a whole bunch of options which I gonna opt out here because I don't really use point clouds mobile mapping. I do not deal with Australia, New Zealand and aerial photogrammetry. I don't have the license for those modules anyway, so I'm just gonna uncheck them. You can always install them later. So let's hit next and install. So let's see how long that's gonna take. Right now we are just about 3 minutes in without the download. I'll move that away. Here we go. I'm gonna close this sucker up. So let's see if it's gonna ask us to restart the computer or anything like some previous installation. Let's see, there is a request certificate. If you are interested in a full license, you can have some requests there. What else was here? TBC community. We can go to community and we can probably find release notes here. 5.9 release notes. There we go. Let's open it up. It's a PDF file. Let's just browse through it. So the new features, apply view filter to reference file. Oh, that's nice, because when you have the underlay file, you can just choose whichever layers to see. Data exchange. So there is a support for new perpendicular target height method used in Trimble Access. Import secondary design data for stakeout line points. Secondary design data can now be imported into DBC for stakeout points that have second line design. Okay. Or import geotagged photos in an SPJ file. So that probably is with the SX12. So that's nice. Coordinate system. So we have few added coordinate systems. Improved management of EPSG IDs when connecting to third-party GIS database. Survey COGO, so ground boundary compass COGO adjusted. Higher performance kinematic baseline processor. South azimuth in the create COGO command. Create points by station and offset. Oh, that's a big one. Integrate points into geometry. Under CAD, we got enhance object entity selection option. Automatically divide area. I seen that a little icon there. Use the new divide area command easily to divide area of the 2D polygon feature subareas based on the following. Specify number of equal side subareas. One or more subareas specify. Okay, that's pretty good. We'll test that one soon. Use bearing as a deflection angle for line string segment. Okay. Enhance IFC exporter. Drafting, include feature attributes in point labels. GIS, we have filter features, GIS data source, display geographical features using web feature service, exchange attachment with GIS data source, exchange data with a PostGIS, exchange data with Trimble pen map for Android, exchange data with S3 feature. Surfaces, we create a composite surface. You can now create single combined surface from two or more other surfaces without having completely rebuilt. Okay. Corridors and alignment, use reference alignment stationing. Point clouds, classification enhancement, extract stockpiles from a point cloud. Let's take a quick peek. Okay, so we are having some issues here with my Google Cloud. So hopefully package Trimble Business Center error 1303 installer has insufficient privilege to access this directory G other computers. So what's going on here? If I'm gonna turn on my Trimble Office Synchronizer, I have it syncing to where do I have it? Oh, here, G other computers, right? So it doesn't like that idea. I'm gonna go back to my C drive, which is kind of stupid because it should be, if this is gonna cancel my installation, that quite a bit, I'm sorry, sucks, because you can. Okay, so let's see if I turn on. I don't have an icon of a Trimble Business Center, so I guess I'll have to start again. Oh my goodness, this sucks. So just if you guys know that if in case you're syncing your controller to a cloud or somewhere and you don't have sufficient privileges, Trimble will cancel the install and you are basically hooked and you have to start from the scratch. I don't even know what to say for that, so let's go back to square one. Let's see what else we can read. So we have selectively assigned feature codes during automatic point extraction. That goes with the point clouds. Drape CAD line on the point cloud. Enhance ambient shading mode for point cloud. Extract geometry automatically from multiple features at the same time. Enhance manhole extraction and Trimble X9 laser scanner support. There is quite a bit of them for the photogrammetry. Import them and process the frame-based aerial image data from US camera. improved deliverables, boundary creation, digital surface model enhancement, height shift from low quality GNS data. Oh, look at the tunnels, mesh comparison data values in tunnel inspection report, delta histogram statistical inspection report, enhanced tunnels inspection maps, mobile mapping, batch processing, takeoff. We have created and apply an over excavation template. Okay, that's nice. Third-party tools, the ANZ toolbox command has few other ones, and there is a discontinuation of the planning utility, which we used for planning our observations. And let's take a look at the RAM. So now they are recommending 32 and more, hard disk space 30 gigs. And let's see, graphics, did they update it? Oh no, so 8 gig and higher NVIDIA Quadro Pro. So we should still be good, thank goodness, for another year or so. Yeah, so those are the release notes here, real in quick and dirty. Let's see where are we at this time. Unfortunately, I had to restart the installation due to my Trimble synchronizer folder being up in a cloud. And Trimble installation package did not like that. Okay, I think I already have a new Trimble Business Center icon over here, so let me put it back to where it belongs. And yeah, SCS Data Manager, this is where we, I think, crashed last time. Yeah. So that was the issue. I know I have a few. Oh, so it didn't ask us to restart. So let me first fix my Office synchronizer real quick, because if I don't do it, I'm gonna be freaking out at some point there. So as you can see, I sync my synchronizer data to my Google Drive. Okay, finish. So it automatically syncs the TSC7 into the Google Drive, then I have the access to it right away. So very nice, seamless for the exchange of data. So once I prep my data, it's done, saved automatically to Google Drive, and by the time I walk into the garage with and pick up my TSC7, it's all synced if the TSC7 is on. So this update is valid if your license is good May 1 and further. So let me see if I can. Oh, it open on the other screen. So let's drag it and drop it here. Right, so perpetual license user whose current warranty expiration date is May 1 or later. So if you are, April 30th, you are screwed. So as you can see, let's go support and about. 5.9 version is nicely installed. Let's take a look at now what we need to do is few adjustments. So definitely logging into my TID profile so I can use the background maps. I believe for that I'm gonna need I have my two-factor authenticator on. So let's find Trimble. It's just too many of these things. Trimble identity, here we go, 958-079, submit. Yeah, so we are back online, yes, and then we should see under my new yeah, my templates which are online, and then I also sync my stuff to my Google Drive. Again, on the Google Drive I do have templates, so I can have them everywhere in case. So I'll go to ProSite metric, hit OK. Just for I like the white background, as you guys seen, and yeah. So you see here under edit there's the divide area, new comment. So we'll test it out in the next video. I'll be having a short coming up soon about the starting time of the Business Center. Let's see if it's longer or shorter as the version 5.8. And hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you next one.